Hey, if you see something that looks weird, just tell me. I'm not gonna run through this woods. I wanna. There's a break right there. With nothing.
Yeah, I seen that yesterday.
Wow. That might be a juvenile break right there.
Yesterday.
There's a bunch of them around here. I guarantee they're watching us right now.
Yeah, that's probably like one of the only white birds that's still fucking sitting up in here.
You know that's not normal, right? Those tree breaks like that. Like that's not like that one too. Look at that. That's twisted and broke.
Yeah.
That's a good break right there. That's a strong creature, dude.